Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes better. Start by understanding the importance of fresh ingredients and proper mixing techniques. We'll cover everything from selecting the right flour to achieving that perfect fluffy texture. Get ready to transform your breakfast routine with these simple yet effective tips. You'll be flipping restaurant-quality pancakes in no time, impressing everyone at the breakfast table. Let's dive into the secrets of pancake perfection. Elevate your pancake game by making smart ingredient swaps. Buttermilk reacts with baking soda, creating more air pockets for an incredibly tender pancake. A touch of vanilla extract brings out the sweetness and rounds out the flavors beautifully. Remember, fresh baking powder is crucial for that perfect rise. These small changes make a big difference in the final product, giving you truly exceptional pancakes.
Hey everyone, if you're enjoying these tips on making better pancakes, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. On another note, after enjoying your perfect pancakes, let the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handle any stray crumbs or flour spills. It's like having a silent helper that keeps your kitchen spotless while you relax. This smart robot vacuum offers voice control and self-emptying, making cleanup effortless. It's even pet-friendly, perfect for homes with furry friends. Check the description for a link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
The way you mix and cook your batter significantly impacts the outcome. Gentle mixing prevents gluten development, ensuring a tender pancake. Resting the batter allows the flour to fully hydrate and the leavening agents to begin their work. A properly heated griddle is key for even browning and a consistent cook. Look for bubbles forming on the surface before flipping for that golden brown finish. Beyond the basic batter, there are endless ways to customize your pancakes. Fresh blueberries add a delightful tartness, while chocolate chips offer a sweet indulgence. Don't forget the toppings. A drizzle of real maple syrup is classic, but fresh berries or a cloud of whipped cream can make them extra special. A hint of cinnamon or nutmeg can also add a wonderful warmth to your breakfast.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.